Running a small to medium sized business means making every penny count, especially when it comes to your advertising spend. Google Ads can be a powerful tool, but sometimes the standard reports don't quite give you the full picture you need. That's where Google Ads custom columns come in, a feature that might sound technical but can actually offer straightforward benefits for businesses like yours. Think of custom columns as a way to create your own reporting views within Google Ads, showing you the specific information that matters most to your unique business goals. Instead of relying solely on the pre built metrics, you can tailor the data to uncover valuable trends and make smarter decisions about your campaigns. Why should your business care about custom columns? In a world increasingly driven by automation and AI in advertising, custom columns offer you a crucial element of control and deeper understanding. They allow you to go beyond the surface level data and ask more specific questions about your campaign performance. For SMBs with limited marketing resources, this targeted insight can be a game changer, helping you understand different types of success. If you track more than one action as a conversion, like contact form submissions, quote requests, or actual sales, custom columns let you see which campaigns, keywords, and ads are driving each specific type of conversion. This means you can identify, for example, if a campaign is great at generating leads but poor at driving sales qualified leads. Spot cost trends quickly. By setting up columns to analyze your average conversion cost over different time periods, like yesterday, last week, or the last 30 days, you can easily see if your costs are higher or lower than usual. This helps you react promptly to potential issues with your bidding or budget before they escalate. Keep an eye on the competition. You can create columns that flag decreases in your click through rate alongside increases in your cost per click. This could indicate increased competition in the market, prompting you to investigate further using Google's auction insights or to consider refreshing your ad copy. This is particularly useful for protecting your brand keywords. Identify unexpected spending. Worried about Google potentially overspending your budget? You can set up a custom column to highlight days where your spending significantly exceeds your average. This allows you to quickly check if the increased spend is justified by strong performance or if something might be amiss. Practical ways SMBs can use custom columns. Here are a few examples of custom columns you could set up. Conversion type breakdown. If you track leads and sales, create separate columns to show the cost per lead and cost per sale for each campaign. This helps you understand which campaigns are most effective at each stage of your customer journey. Weekly average CPA comparison. Set up a column that shows the average cost per acquisition for the last 7 days. Then create another column that compares yesterday's CPA to this 7-day average. This makes it easy to spot immediate cost fluctuations. CTR change indicator. Create a column that calculates the percentage change in click through rate compared to the previous week. A significant drop might signal increased competition or less relevant ad copy. Daily spend versus average. Build a column that shows yesterday's spend as a percentage of the average daily spend over the last 7 days. Any value significantly above 100% warrants a closer look. Getting started with custom columns. While it might sound a bit daunting, creating custom columns in Google Ads is relatively straightforward. You'll find the option to modify your columns within your campaign, ad group, or keyword views. From there, you can choose from a wide range of existing metrics and even create formulas to calculate your own custom metric. The takeaway for marketers: don't let the term custom columns intimidate you. This powerful feature in Google Ads offers a fantastic opportunity for marketers to gain a more nuanced understanding of their advertising performance. By taking a little time to set these up tailored reporting views, you can uncover valuable insights, make more informed decisions about your budget and targeting, and ultimately get more bang for your buck. In an increasingly competitive digital landscape, leveraging every tool available like Google Ads custom columns can give your business a significant edge. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.